In this video, I'm going to discuss with you, is it easy to make websites on own? So, believe me, it's very simple. Just give me your 10 minutes in this course and I'll tell you and I can guarantee you that you can make your website within a day. I've seen people getting scared or kind of having bugs in the stomach thinking how will they make their own website. I'll make it simple for you by clearly revealing that you'll be able to make your website within a day. It's that simple. People have made it seem like a big deal, but I can tell you from my extensive experience that it's as simple as it can get. So I have created this course to give the beginners a fast and a simple way to create a powerful website without having to learn HTML, PHP or CSS coding of any sort. In this course, I'll show you how most of the web developers build their websites and how you can avoid expensive website builders that are often too limited for a bigger scale. I'll also help you avoid some silly mistakes that beginners usually make sometimes and how you can market and rank your website higher on the Google search.